a brook. Are you gonna go down?
I'm not gonna paddle in.
Sticky weed. Oh, that could have ended in tears. Elegant, wasn't it? Oh my god, it looks so cool.
Yeah.
And it's
You
actually...
can go quite a long way in either direction.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you look, you can normally spot freshwater mussels in here.
No, I mean the one next to it. I'd have to show you. I can't point to it.
Yeah, I can't see any. It's sad. It looks quite cool, actually. I wonder whether you can drink it.
Yeah, I think that's a drink it.
No, it's not bits. I don't want to drink.
Well, you know, children in Africa have to drink worse, so...
Okay, you want me to drink this for the children in Africa?
Yeah.
Ta-da! I have a really wet face now.
Comedy gold.
Be a thing that got a load of people to die.
Yeah, I get... Look how nice that looks.
It is really nice up there. It gets quite deep though. On me at least, but I'm short.
Feel sorry for Kendra.
What can you do?
Literally trapped because the rain is like blocking us from leaving this big ass tree.
Oh god.